Hey guys, today we are in Volkswagen Sharan with PQ type of the MIB2 infotainment system. So some cars have a split system with screen over here and the main unit in the glove box, and some vehicles have an all-in-one device like this one over here, where you have the CD drive on the top, you have two SD card ports over here, and you don't have the car button over here. You have the eject button for the CD drive. So there's no car menu, but actually there is a car menu over here, but there's no car button to access it easily. But there's a button combination that you can use to enter the car menu in this device. You need to press at the same time buttons voice, menu, and navigation. I will try to do it with one hand. Okay, and dismiss this notification, and we are in the car menu over here. This section menu is empty because the car menu was not intended to be accessed in this vehicle, so there's no data over here. I'm not sure if it can be enabled, but if so, you would have over here performance monitor and off-road display and some other stuff. But one thing that you can do actually over here is go to settings, and you have parking and maneuvering settings available over here, so you can adjust let me enter it. You can adjust the Park Pilot volume and tone, and how much the entertainment should fade when you are in reverse, when the Park Pilot is active, because it's not only when you are reversing, also if you are close to an obstacle in front of you. Okay, so this is just a quick tip. If you want to check something out in your vehicle, this is how to do it. And to exit it, just select one of the other sections and you're back to normal operation mode. Okay, thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like this simple tutorial and subscribe for future ones. See you soon.